Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'll be replacing or changing this bag handle because it is so soft and so thin that doesn't fit for my bag. So I'm gonna use this bag handle that I took from an old bag that I already thrown away. So I took this one because the handle is still fine. So I'm gonna use it here and come and see my materials, guys. So guys, this is my bag that I'm gonna replace with this bag handle. I'm also gonna use this thread, same color as my fabric that I'm gonna use. This, I also have scissor and a needle. So guys, come and see how I change or replace my bag handle. Guys, first I'm gonna do is to wrap up this handle with this fabric before putting it in this bag. Okay, so I'll be wrapping it like this. So I'll be starting it here so that it will be balanced, the length. Otherwise the other one is long and the other one is short. So I'll be starting at the middle to balance the accurate length. I use the same thread so that it will be invisible to the eye of this bag handle. Otherwise, if I use another color, or it will be seen when finished. So guys, you see the thread isn't visible at all. See, so I'm on my halfway of this one. Guys, I'm done with this one. So I'll be working with the partner of this handle. I'll do the procedure the same with this one. Start at the middle. So guys, I'm done with this one. So I'm gonna attach it to the bag. Keep on watching. Guys, I'm done. I remove already this soft handle. So I'm gonna change this new one. I'll be putting it like this. want to make this perfectly. I don't want to have irregularities of this bag. By the way guys, I used huge needle because this part is quite hard to sew. Sometimes my thread tangles. That's why it's hard to, it tangles. Guys, I'm done with this one. Now my bag is this one here, finished already. So guys, I'm done with my bag already. See? And I can carry this on my shoulder. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it on how I transform my bag into this nice handle. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And please guys support me on my channel. Thank you so much guys. God bless to all of you. Be blessed. See my bag. Okay, thank you so much.